Good morning. It's a pleasure to speak to you about certain dynamics in our society. This morning, I would like to talk briefly about a gossiper. It is important to avoid a gossiper. A gossiper is someone who enthusiastically and casually talks about other people's, their families, businesses, and whatever. He is so enthusiastic or she is so enthusiastic and casual, discussing negative things about other people. The gossiper does not talk about positive things. Is someone who is so keen about what is happening in an organization, what is happening in the village, and for him or her to feel comfortable or to feel at home, they have invested on gossiping. And you see, it's so bad to sit on a table, to sit at a table and discuss about other people, about other personalities. It shows how cheap you are. It shows that you are an hydra, and it also shows that you don't have much to do, because after gossiping, you don't get much to benefit. And so you see, even when we are sitting at a table with someone, there are so many topics which you can discuss. There are so many things about the cosmos, about the world, about politics, about religion, about about the economy, how the economy is going, about politics, about your dreams, about your growth, about your vision, about the strategies. So you see, not when you stop talking about people, you are a good person. Bad people, they are gossipers. I would encourage, avoid gossipers at all costs. Thank you and have a great day.